The question was recently asked of me, how do I clean paint off a target? Well, you know, you can get a bronze brush, you can scrub at the target for a while, or you can get a birdshot and flail it off the gun. Come on! That did it. Killjoy. Killjoy. There you go. Whee! I love 12 gauge. Come on! That did it. Killjoy. Killjoy. There you go. You know what's interesting about that? There is so much energy coming out of this 12 gauge, even with a 12-inch barrel. It's actually causing little pits. Look at that. It's causing little pits in the metal. That is truly surprising. There's a lot of energy coming out of a 12 gauge, even with birdshot. Huh. I did not expect that. Surprising.